What's up guys, today we're gonna play FNAF 3 and welcome back to the Nightmare Brothers, and today the gameplay is going to be by James. So
Hi.
let's begin.
So let's press a new game and start. Coming soon, Fazbear Fright the horror attraction. Who's this guy? 12 a.m. the first night. I hope we survive. All these are masks here.
I don't know.
Okay,
This is the
so
first time we are playing, right?
Hey, glad you came back for another night.
What should we
I
do?
shut up you. We don't want your tips or anything. Where are the animatronics?
I don't understand anything.
It's new.
For us. Wait,
This is
I
maybe
saw something before.
where
See these eyes?
are these eyes for you?
Yeah. Everything is eyes.
Where is the animatronics? Where's Freddy or Chica or Bonnie or Balloon Boy or anyone?
I think
hear-
that guy is called Springtrap.
I know. I heard about it in the update and
It's
for
a new
FNAF 3.
animatronic.
Yeah, his name's Springtrap. See this tree? Bonnie and Freddy and Chica. Give me this cola. I want to drink it.
Is it good?
I don't know.
Yummy. What's this?
It's the vents or the air vents.
Oh.
Maybe someone is here. Why there is no flashlight? In FNAF 2 and 1 there is. It's scary little. What's this? Click. Audio devices, camera system, ventilation.
I think
reboot.
I know this. I have seen in YouTube videos. I'll tell you. When something goes red, you should reboot everything. I think it's like that.
Okay. This is Foxy's head. And this is Freddy's. Yes.
It's
But
so
they-
beautiful, right?
Yeah. But they are not the real ones.
They're just toy.
Who's this?
No, it's just a boy toy. Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
I'm not talking to you.
Oh, I hate you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think the play audio that if you played in Cam 9, they'll think that you're in Cam 9. So don't make it like in Cam 2 because you're near to Cam 2. So we'll play it in Cam 4 or 8.
Ha, very fun.
It's 5 a.m. It's so easy.
It's very easy. We'll survive everything, right? It's very easy.
Don't act off.
Right, James? It's very easy.
Night 1 is easy, but
Everything is easy. Very, very easy.
you can't do anything to say easy.
I'll show you.
What the hell?
Yeah!
We won! 6 a.m. You should survive until 6 a.m. Please be a minigame.
Please. I love minigames.
Me too.
I want a minigame. Yes, I want this.
Me.
Please, me.
Okay.
Yeah, minigame.
Who's this? Mango? That's written up here. Mango's quest.
I have a hand. I have a leg.
Wow.
I have a hand. I have a... whatever that is.
It's a baby or what? See the moon.
The moon is shining.
Just go finish it fast.
I don't want to.
What the hell are you doing?
Let me go.
So this is the exit. Night 2.
Night 3.
It's 2.
Oh.
We don't want to hear you again.
I want to hear him. He's my friend. Leave my friend alone.
As if you know him. Who's this guy?
Spring.
What the hell?
What the? It's 12 a.m. How?
It's from the start only? What the hell?
It's 12 a.m. We are friends, right? Friends, right? You can scare James, but not me. I'm brave enough. Very brave enough.
Who's this guy?
He's my friend. Have any problem with my friends?
Yeah. He's again here. He's the same guy or
He have a gun. He have a gun. He can shoot us.
no?
Yeah. See?
I'll call him in camp 4 or 10. Yeah, 10. Is this guy was here? He's the same or no?
He's the same. Oh,
Uh,
where's my friend?
I think who's this guy?
Yeah. There's no.
There was an eye.
It's just.
What the,
What's up?
what the hell is this?
My friend.
First. Okay.
What's up?
He's breathing.
Don't go to the camp. We're dead.
I know. He'll be here. He'll hide for us. I'll catch him.
Are you scared?
He's here. Cam 9. I'm scared.
I'm brave. Just joking. I'm scared. But my friend will never scared. Hello.
What the hell is this? It's night.
Who locked the door?
I don't know. It's just a message. It's night 2 a.m. There are
Wait a minute. We forgot something. Today actually we were about to play only night 1.
Later we'll play 2.
But no problem. We'll play night 2 also. So it's double. Maybe we'll play night 3. Only one go.
Yeah, because it's hard. It's still 2 a.m. I hate this guy. I don't know who's
He's
this
my
guy.
friend. Don't mess with him.
You don't know him only.
I know. He came to my house yesterday. We both played PlayStation 4 together. We played Black Ops 2.
Who's this guy? There's an eye.
It's Springtrap. Hey, you calling him to the exit? Are you crazy?
Let him exit. I don't want to see his face. What the hell? I know he was coming. I didn't be scared. So it's 3 a.m. Can we survive it? Go exit. Come. Are you scared?
Balloon Boy is not my friend. He just.
What the heck?
It's not fun.
It's 2.
Really?
Yeah.
Game over. Ha.
So guys, if you want us to continue,
Just make sure to like and subscribe. And so goodbye, guys.
bye.